Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic window motor. First, gather your tools like a screwdriver set, a socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Always disconnect the car's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Carefully remove the door panel, ensuring you don't break any clips. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Once the door panel is off, gently peel back the plastic moisture barrier to access the internal components. Next, locate the bolts holding the window glass to the regulator assembly. Carefully unbolt the glass and secure it in the up position with tape. Then, disconnect the electrical connector from the motor and unbolt the entire window motor and regulator assembly from the door frame. Now, it's time to install your new window motor. If your new motor came with a regulator, install the entire assembly. Otherwise, attach the new motor to your existing regulator. Carefully reconnect the window glass to the regulator, ensuring proper alignment. Secure all the mounting bolts for the motor and regulator assembly, making sure they are tightened firmly but not over-tightened. Before reassembling the door, reconnect your car's battery and test the new window motor. Operate the window up and down several times to ensure it moves smoothly and fully. Once you confirm proper operation, carefully reinstall the plastic moisture barrier and then the door panel. Make sure all clips and fasteners are securely in place for a complete and professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.